10 new car gadgets that you can buy online. In today's world, cars are more than just vehicles. They are mobile command centers, personal retreats, and tools that keep our lives moving. Whether you're a road trip enthusiast, a daily commuter, or someone who simply loves their car, the right gadgets can transform your driving experience. The latest innovations in automotive technology are designed to make your cars safer, smarter, and more convenient. And the best part is that you can get them all online with just a few clicks. These must-have gadgets are built to enhance security, improve maintenance, and add a touch of high-tech comfort to your vehicle. FiSight Baby Car Camera. Keeping an eye on your little one while driving can be challenging, and traditional rear-view mirrors don't always give the best view. The FiSight Baby Car Camera is a game-changer for parents who want to ensure their baby's safety without turning their head or taking their eyes off the road. Unlike a regular baby mirror, this device features a high-definition camera that attaches to the back seat, sending a live video feed to a screen mounted on your dashboard. This means you can keep an eye on your child in real time, even if they are rear-facing. The night vision mode ensures that you can check on them even during nighttime drives, providing peace of mind no matter the hour. Tire air cap. Tire pressure is one of the most important factors when it comes to vehicle safety, fuel efficiency, and overall performance. The tire air cap is a small but powerful gadget designed to help you monitor your tire pressure effortlessly. It replaces your standard valve cap with a pressure-sensing cap that gives a visual indicator of whether your tires are properly inflated. If your tire pressure drops below the recommended level, the cap changes color to alert you immediately. This simple yet highly effective device can prevent underinflation, which can lead to uneven tire wear, poor fuel economy, and even dangerous blowouts on the road. One of the best things about the tire air cap is its ease of use. Rapid Ceramic Paint Sealant. Keeping your car looking brand new isn't just about washing it regularly. It's about protecting the paint from dirt, UV rays, and harsh weather conditions. The Rapid Ceramic Paint Sealant is the ultimate solution for maintaining that showroom shine with minimal effort. Unlike traditional waxes that require hours of application, this ceramic-based formula provides an instant protective coating that repels water, dirt, and grime. The hydrophobic technology ensures that water beads up and rolls right off the surface, preventing water spots and stains. It also creates a slick, high-gloss finish that enhances the color and depth of your car's paint. What sets the Rapid Ceramic Paint Sealant apart is its durability. Fixed OBD2 Scanner. Car troubles can be frustrating, especially when the check engine light comes on without any clear explanation. The Fixed OBD2 Scanner is a smart diagnostic tool that connects to your car's onboard computer and provides real-time information about potential issues. Simply plug it into your car's OBD2 port, and it instantly scans for problems, translating complex error codes into easy-to-understand descriptions on your smartphone. Instead of guessing what's wrong with your car, you get clear insights about the issue, allowing you to make informed decisions about repairs and maintenance. One of the biggest advantages of the Fixed OBD2 Scanner is its ability to save you money. Not sight LED bulbs. Driving at night can be challenging if your headlights aren't bright enough, but the Not-Sight LED bulbs offer an instant upgrade to your vehicle's lighting system. These high-performance bulbs provide a powerful ultra-bright beam that enhances visibility in all weather conditions. Unlike traditional halogen bulbs, LED technology delivers a clearer, whiter light that mimics daylight, reducing eye strain and improving nighttime driving safety. They also use less energy and last significantly longer than conventional bulbs, making them a cost-effective and efficient upgrade. Installing the Not-Sight LED bulbs is a breeze. They are designed to fit most standard headlight sockets, and their plug-and-play functionality means you don't need any special tools or professional help. Terminal Protector. Battery terminals are often overlooked when it comes to vehicle maintenance, but they play a crucial role in keeping your car running smoothly. Corrosion on battery terminals can lead to poor electrical connections, difficulty starting the engine, and even complete battery failure. The terminal protector is designed to prevent this issue by forming a protective layer over your battery terminals, stopping corrosion before it starts. It works by sealing the metal surfaces from moisture, dirt, and acid buildup, ensuring a clean and efficient power flow to your vehicle's electrical system. Applying the terminal protector is incredibly simple. Just clean your battery terminals, spray or apply the protector, and let it do its magic. Hypercoat dressing. If you love keeping your car's interior and exterior looking fresh, Hypercoat dressing is the perfect solution. Unlike standard car cleaners that only remove dirt, this high-performance dressing enhances and protects plastic, vinyl, and rubber surfaces, bringing back their original deep color and shine. Whether it's your dashboard, tires, or trim, Hypercoat dressing provides a sleek, non-greasy finish that lasts for weeks. It also contains UV protection, which helps prevent fading and cracking caused by prolonged sun exposure. What makes Hypercoat dressing stand out is its advanced formula that repels dust and water, keeping surfaces cleaner for longer. RV door lock. Security is a top priority for RV owners, and a strong door lock is essential for keeping your vehicle and belongings safe. The RV door lock is designed to replace standard locks with a heavy-duty, tamper-resistant mechanism that offers maximum protection. Made from high-quality metal, it provides superior resistance against forced entry, ensuring that your RV remains secure whether you're parked at a campsite or on the road. The lock also features a keyless entry option, allowing you to unlock your door with a code instead of relying solely on keys. One of the standout features of this RV door lock is its weatherproof design. Unlike traditional locks that can rust or jam due to exposure to rain and dust, this lock is built to withstand harsh conditions, ensuring long-term reliability. Wheel chock stabilizer. When parking your RV or trailer, stability is a major concern, especially on uneven surfaces. The wheel chock stabilizer is a heavy-duty gadget designed to keep your vehicle securely in place, preventing movement that could lead to accidents. Unlike regular wheel chocks, which simply block the tires, this stabilizer expands between the wheels, locking them in place and reducing swaying. Whether you're parked on a hill or experiencing strong winds, this device ensures that your vehicle stays rock solid. What makes this stabilizer unique is its ability to provide extra support, reducing strain on your suspension and preventing tire wear. It's easy to install. Just place it between the tires and tighten it with the built-in wrench. Remote key fob. Losing your car keys can be frustrating, but the remote key fob is here to make your life easier. This high-tech gadget allows you to lock, unlock, and even start your vehicle remotely, providing both security and convenience. Whether you're approaching your car with your hands full or need to warm up your engine on a cold morning, this key fob lets you control your car with the push of a button. Many models even feature a panic button, which can activate your car alarm in case of an emergency, adding an extra layer of protection. One of the best things about the remote key fob is that it can be easily programmed to work with a wide range of vehicles. If you've lost your original key fob or just want an extra one for convenience, this device is a perfect replacement. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For more awesome content, have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.